Dear students, today on May 17, you had a business study paper. And as the feedback we have received from the students and the teachers, the paper was well balanced and it was on easy by the students and they are expecting good marks. And now you have around 5 days to prepare for the accountancy paper. I have prepared a schedule for you. And I think that if you follow this schedule, definitely you will have a good confidence. So let's discuss on the schedule I have prepared for you. On May 17, you can revise from the retirement and death of partner. And you can also do a revision for the digital partnership form. And on May 18, you can take issue of debentures and not-for-profit organization and one more chapter, that is a comparative financial statement. Out of these three chapters, not-for-profit organization will take more time, and issue debenture will take less time, and comparative statement will take least time. So this way, these three chapters can easily be done in a single day. On May 19, I think the cash flow statement should be given the whole day because it's a quite lengthy chapter and time consuming and with a lot of concepts. So after you have revised all these 6 chapters till May 19, now on May 20, what you should do? You should revise CBS sample paper term 2 with marking scheme. So just open the question paper and also simultaneously open the marking scheme and just try to see that how the questions have been done. So you can solve the CBS sample paper on your register and you can compare your answer with the marking scheme. And I also suggest you to revise your pre-board papers. So most probably 2 pre-board paper must have taken place in your school. So just find out this paper and also the answer sheets and just see how you have done the answers and where you have committed the mistakes. So wherever you have committed the mistake, just see why you have committed the mistake and how this could be avoided. So the purpose is to ensure that you are not going to repeat the same mistake that you have done in the pre-board papers or other papers. Then on May 21st of May, you should practice 5 sample papers. And similarly, on May 22, you should also practice 5 sample papers. This way, you should be able to practice 10 sample papers, including 1 or civil sample papers and your pre-board papers. So after practicing all these papers, you must have a very good confidence and you shall be waiting for the paper to take place. So now after this, on the day of examination, I suggest you should not revise anything. And if you just want to revise, just relax your mind and do not bother your mind at least 2 hours before your paper starts. So now as you receive the question paper on the day examination, just as you receive, just pray to the Almighty to shower His blessing upon you. And apart from all the information, I just also would like to share some important notes with you. Number 1, revision should be done with the help of the solved illustrations of your book, and that should be followed by the previous year CBSE questions. So these CBSE solved questions may easily be found at the end of your book under the name scanner. So one folder under the name in the name of scanner you can see at the end of every book. Or otherwise, if you have any other book for the CBSE questions, then you should also do it. So it means after solving the solved illustration from every chapter, you should practice the same chapter on the basis of your CBSE previous questions. And next thing, do check all the answer sheets of all your papers you have attempted. This I already discussed that whatever the number of answer sheets you have, you just go through with the question paper and find what mistake you had done and ensure yourself that you have learned from the mistake and you are not going to repeat the mistakes. And next thing, in this accountancy paper, you are going to receive the printed answer sheets, and in this printed answer sheets, you will see some format for the journal, some 10 number of pages, and you will also see some number of printed sheets on the ledger. Now, what you need to do, you need to train your mind how you will be using the printed answer sheet. So for this purpose, I'm going to share the video of 2 links in the description box, and you can watch this video, and through this video that expert will be telling you that how you can use the printed sheets. So in the printed answer sheet, you may require to customize as per your requirement of the question. And now this was all for the purpose of revision of accountancy paper. And if you find any query, and if you had any doubt, you can take my assistant from the number given at the end of this sheet. All the best to everyone.